Hello, and welcome to the assembly guide for the Shaker 5-drawer chest. Even if your box is damaged, it doesn't mean the product is damaged, and we offer free replacement parts if something is broken or missing. As you open and unpack the boxes, we recommend organizing all like pieces together. Our furniture is both 100% solid wood and 100% sourced from renewable forests in Brazil. A downloadable PDF of the assembly instructions is available for download on the products page on grainwoodfurniture.com. If needed, feel free to tap these dowels, labeled C2, into their place lightly using a hammer. If the dowels appear loose or don't fit just right, that's okay. They are there for alignment purposes, not stability. Pieces 9, 10, and 13 are drawer panels. Insert the dowels into all 5 of each. You should pause the video now until you've attached all the dowels. These A4 screws do not have pilot holes. You will need to apply pressure until they catch. When aligning the side panel glides, remember the wheel goes towards the front and bottom of the piece. Double check that the screws are driven down until they are flush with the glide to avoid potential drawer snags. If you are confused about the glides, please watch our assembly detail video highlighting the glides. You can find the link below this video in the description. These A4 screws do not have pilot holes. You will need to apply pressure until they catch. When aligning the lower cross piece, piece 05, orient the pocket holes so they are below the dowels. These A1 screws do not have pilot holes. You will need to apply some pressure until they catch. aligning the top, piece 01, look for the notched back and the finished front. Ensure the back panels, pieces labeled 07, are square into the corners and along the sides. Nail the corners first. Leave about an inch at the bottom of the back panels, pieces 07. You can use the top knuckle of your finger for spacing. These A4 screws do not have pilot holes. You will need to apply pressure until they catch. There are a total of 5 drawers, so you will need to repeat these steps 5 times. These A1 screws do not have pilot holes. You will need to apply some pressure until they catch. Make sure the back of the drawer, piece number 12, is square to both side pieces. When attaching the drawer glides, remember the wheel goes towards the back and top of the drawer. If you are planning to use the anti-tipping restraint to secure your piece to the wall, please watch the video linked below. Place the labeled drawer in the top position.
When
installed correctly, only one drawer will open at a time.